what is up everybody? Welcome to a new week here. It is Tuesday. Monday was a fairly slow day for us. We didn't do a whole lot. Just a little sandblasting to kind of prep some stuff up, but today has been super busy. So first thing, we got our powder in, so we are working on these intercooler pipes that are all over the place here. We've got a few, like I've got this one, some focus, damn it. Come on, focus. Oh, here we go. Yeah, so anyway, some tape fell on it, so I gotta fix that one. And I think those two are touching. In fact, I know they're touching. They're like kissing cousins, so that's annoying. I'm gonna have to fix those. And these actually get a red coat and then a clear coat over them, so I gotta get to work because those I have to finish by tomorrow. I need to coat these wheels. There's some brake calipers in here that gotta get coated. And then today we had a diving platform get dropped off. We had a bicycle frame get dropped off. And we had, where's the last, oh yeah, some more exhaust parts for the snowmobile. So, a lot of like little jobs, but like a ton of different work. So anyway, I gotta get to work because I cannot quit tonight until I have these pipes done. So this is gonna take a while. Oh God, that was rough. All right, what's today? Wednesday morning, here we are, Wednesday, we're in it. So we got these, we got all this intercooler turbo piping done. It came out pretty good. A few spots I don't like in some of them. We're getting them wrapped up to take them back to Strictly, and then we got to take what do we got to do here? Okay, so we got the bicycle frames got to go, and this piece has to go to the sandblaster this morning. Then when we come back, we have to coat those wheels and these brake calipers. Should be an easy day. We're off. All right, cool. So it is Wheel Wednesday, so we're coating some wheels tonight. Got those calipers all done earlier today. I'll show you guys those in a little bit. But for right now, I need to get these coated in the oven. All right, it is chilly today. First thing up, we got this bike frame. I really like doing these bike frames because, as you can see, it's pretty easy. It's basically sandblast, one piece of wire to hang it, and plug and cap everything. There's no masking involved whatsoever, so it works out great. So we're gonna do this. This one's gonna be hot. It's gonna be another custom fade. Then we got a couple other things to shoot this afternoon. Alright everybody, welcome to Friday. It's kind of the day of the weird days. First off, it's raining and it's chilly, so that kind of sucks. We did shoot some ceramic stuff this morning, but I'm not really super focused. I'm not really like super impressed with how this came out. Let's see here. It's like kind of got like this weird like dry spray look, but not really dry spray. I don't know. It's really weird. I don't know. I think I'm gonna redo it. So now on top of that, we have some. These are pool table pocket sockets or something. I don't know. And I actually think I'm trying to decide if they're chromed or if they're just polished. The guy sanded them with some 1000 grit. So I don't really know, but I'm trying to decide here so I can figure out what to take on them. Like, I don't really know what I'm gonna do with them yet. So he kind of wants to keep this look, so I kind of want to polish them out the rest of the way for him, and see if I can and then just clear coat them so they look good for him. Then we just got some Harley parts in here, so we got to do those next week. Those are first up. So this weekend we're doing a lot of internet stuff because I got to get caught up on that a little bit. So yeah, that's pretty much it for right now. It's gonna be a gonna be one of those weekends. So anyway, that's Friday. I'll update you guys here on how the weekend goes on Sunday, and that'll pretty much wrap up for the week. So I'm gonna go inside because it's a little chilly right now. And yeah, awesome. All right, what's up, everybody? Welcome to the weekend here. Had these soupy wheels show up late last night. So Saturday morning here, I was gonna work on some internet stuff, but the old man's putting the roof on the carport, so I am handing him sheets of metal as he needs it, and in between that, I'm just working on these because we'll get them at least stripped today, and then we can get them strip dipped and ready to go here and be good to go. So that's what we're working on. It'll be a real slow day. Stupid wheels. Alright, so let's wrap up this week here. It is Sunday. We have some parts and pieces here prepped for going to the blaster tomorrow. We've got some more over here, chrome Harley stuff. Yuck. And we're gonna redo these heat shields because I'm not pumped on how they came out. So anyway, so we got that stuff done. We did ride yesterday, like I said. So watch for the GoPro review video. That's coming soon. And yeah, that's basically it. So it's been a long weekend. I've made not some great decisions about life. And yeah, so I'm going to go do a couple real quick things here and go to bed. So thanks for coming in. Thanks for watching. See everybody next week. Another episode of TR Vlogs, Building the Business.